Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to turn on hotspot on iPhone. And for this we go to settings, and then right here you can maybe already see it. But if you click here on personal hotspot like this, you can enable your hotspot by clicking on allow others to join. Now here in the bottom you see some options how people can join. With Wi-Fi they need to choose Tommy's iPhone from the Wi-Fi settings on your computer or another device and enter the password. Then for connecting with Bluetooth, pair iPhone with your computer. On iPhone tap pair for enter the code displayed on your computer and then connect to iPhone from computer. You can also connect using USB, then plug in your iPhone into your computer, choose iPhone from the list of network services in your settings. So these are the three ways how you can use the personal data, but this is exactly how people can use it after they fill in your Wi-Fi password on the device where you want to use your personal hotspot on. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.